Unlock the power of IoT with digital twins. Building a low-cost network digital twin for the IoT-Edge-Cloud continuum is now easier than ever using open source tooling. The digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical system, allowing for real-time monitoring, simulation, and optimization. By leveraging open source tools, you can create a digital twin that spans the entire IoT Edge Cloud continuum, from device data to cloud analytics. This enables you to make data-driven decisions, predict maintenance needs, and improve overall system efficiency. With open source tooling, you can build a digital twin at a fraction of the cost of proprietary solutions. The key is to integrate tools like EdgeX, Docker, and Kubernetes to create a seamless workflow. By doing so, you can unlock new insights and improve your IoT deployments. Are you ready to revolutionize your IoT strategy? Double tap that like button if you're excited about the potential of digital twins. Share your thoughts and experiences with digital twins in the comments below. We want to hear from you. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve in the world of IoT and digital transformation, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to join our community of innovators.